idiot!
Cactus through your windshield? There's a thorn in your side. Badoomts. Forget it. Shortly before 9:30 a.m. Wednesday, a driver in the Catalina Foothills of Arizona survived a spectacular impact with a girthy cactus and walked away, unpricked. According to the Northwest Fire Department, the driver, 39-year-old Kai Scott, crossed the median into another lane of traffic. The cactus was rudely in the driver's way, resulting in this driver taking it out and his windshield along with it. The Pima County Sheriff's Department is investigating the accident. According to KTVK and the obvious pictures, the car is in pretty bad shape, aka KO'd. The windshield has been smashed, obviously, and the monstrous saguaro cactus was protruding from the vehicle by several feet, also obvious. Arizona Daily Star reported that the cactus-hating lunatic was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence and for criminal damage.